Hey everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So, balik muna tayo sa old setup. I don't have my backdrop or my ring light kasi hindi ko pa kaya mag-setup. So, yeah, I hope you guys don't mind this setup. Kasi mabilis akong mapagod ng nakaupo ng matagal. So, kapag maglilinis pa ako, hindi ko kaya beshi. Kasi ayun nga, kapag maglilinis ako, kailangan ko ng walker. Yan, yung walker ko tsaka crutches ko nasa likod. So today, isa na namang review ng Sunnies Face. Alam kong pagod na kayo guys. Kakarinig, kakapanood nito as in all over social media, ganun. Pero, yun nga, I really wanted to try it kasi ang daming hype. Hindi kong maiwasan na hindi siya itry. Tapos, nag-appeal talaga sa akin yung matte tsaka moisturizing. So, yeah, if you guys want to know my thoughts about the Sunnies Fluffmatte, then please keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it and check all in the drop down menu. And without further ado, let's get on to it. Thank you muna ako sa aking college best friend. Thank you, Bianca with the V. Kasi pumila talaga siya sa Sunnies Face kahapon sa Glorieta. Kasi gusto niya rin itry. Kasi pareho kami nag-aabang sa website ng Sunnies Face. As in, kasi diba nag-launch sila nung isang araw ng 9 PM. Tapos naka-alarm ako 8:45, as in, naghihintay na ako, bes. Tapos, bigla may Facebook Live na hindi naman ata naganap. Kung nandun kayo, na hindi siya naganap. Tapos, ayun, tinitignan ko yung Instagram page kung sabi ko, baka may problema lang sa internet connection ko, or basta baka may problema lang. Ayun pala, talagang nagloloko ang website. Tapos, biglang may isa nag-comment na meron sa Lazada. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko kasi maniwala kasi baka yung reseller lang or hindi totoo. So, hindi ko siya pinansin. Pero guys, meron talaga pala sa Lazada. Tapos yung pumunta ako doon, sold out na lahat except yung shade na mood. So, bumalik ulit ako, naghintay ako sa website, guys. Actually, nakapasok ako sa website. Pero pagdating sa checkout, hindi gumagana yung mga drop-down menu sa mga barangay, city, ganun. So, gumive up na ako. So, yung friend ko was nice enough to buy me sa Glorieta. So, thank you, Beshi. I love you. So, ayan, 3 shades yung kinuha ko. As in, gusto ko pa nga bumili ng iba pang shades. So, ito yun. As in, alam nyo ba? Kanina lang to binigay sa akin kasi dumalaw siya. Kasi nababaliw na ako dito, guys. Ang tagal ko nang naka-bed rest. Pero ayun, ito, 3 shades mo na kinuha ko kasi I wanted to see if I would like the formula first. I actually was planning to film with her kaso gagabihin siya. Tapos ang lakas-lakas na ulan. Ngayon lang tumigil. So, ayan, ito na siya. So, ito. Ang una ko yung sa swatch is yung shade na Nudist. So, ito yung itsura niya. May isa akong pinanood na video na masyado niyang tinaas na hulog, na putol siya. I guess that comes with it kasi moisturizing siya na lipstick. So, ayan. Ayan na siya. Ito yung shade na Nudist. Super weird in texture. Alam mo yung super matte. Pero ayan. Oh my God, excited na ako. Ayoko muna siya itaas ng sobrang taas. Creamy siya. Okay, this is Nudist. Ayan. Oh. Ito na first impression ng Bongacious. Okay, tara na. Ayan na, ito na. The moment of truth. Worth it ba ang pumila at maghintay sa website nila na wala naman ako napala o ano? Ayan. Okay, super creamy. Okay, alam kong madami niyo na kayo naririnig. Super creamy. Pero creamy talaga siya, mga besh. Ang ganda. This one is a very warm nude. It's, to be honest, sabi ko, hindi ako bibili ng ganitong shade kasi ang dami ko nude sa aking life. Pero wala siya sa mga nudes na meron ako. So, this is Nudist. Nudist is a shade na I didn't expect na magiging ganon. It's a little bit warmer than I'm used to, which I think would fit a lot of Filipino skin tones. So I think that's what they patterned after. So Sunod, which is Baked, which is the shade that I'm most excited about because I love terracotta shades. So again, their boxes correspond to the different lipstick shades. So ito na ang Baked. Ayan na sure. Hindi ko pa inamoy. Amoy lipstick. Amoy packaging na lipstick. So anyways, this is Baked. Ito. Wow! I love! Oh my god! Ayan. Para sila magka-shade, no? Pero hindi. Mas orangey and mas terracotta yung Baked. So, let's apply it to our lips. Alam niyo guys, walang difference sa pag-apply with or without lip balm. Of course, mas silky, pero guys, still very, very smooth. And the thing that I noticed as I was removing these lipsticks, di ba syempre, you know, abuse ang ating lips, hindi siya drying. Hindi pa rin siya dry mga best. So, ito na last, which is Girl Crush. I was torn between 143 tsaka Girl Crush, pero Girl Crush talaga ako bumaksak. So, ayan. So, ito yung isa pa sa mga shades na it's like a very muted red. So, kung gusto niyo ng red, pero takot kayo magsuot ng red, I think this will be pretty. Sold. Ayan na siya. Okay guys, so ang gagamitin ko for today is the shade Girl Crush. There's yung lahat ng shades na pansin ko, they're all leaning towards the warmer side. So, ayun nga, I think it really caters to Filipina skin tones. So, super nice. Hindi siya yung nude na talagang i-wash out ka. I mean, sobrang ganda. So, ito muna susuotin natin. Kakain na tayo. Titingnan natin kung paano siya maglalast. So, yeah. Hi! So, kakain na tayo, guys. Oo, nasa kama ako, guys. Kasi, hindi pa ako makalakad papuntang dining area. Kaya, ayan. Breakfast in bed. Breakfast, dinner in bed. So, ang ulam natin ngayon is sinigang na tira-tira na lang kasi inubos ko kanina. Sarap talaga ng sinigang. Mainit na sinigang, tapos umuulan. Ay, naku. Tapos may tempurang ginawa si Mama Bear. So, yun ang ulam natin ngayong araw. So, may soup, tsaka medyo oily yung tempura kasi deep-fried siya. Deep-fried ba? Ganun. Actually, nakatulog ako, guys. So, ayan. Yun na yung itsura ng Girl Crush. I love it. It's such a nice kind of pop of color, pero super, ano siya. Kasi may ganito akong shade. Very similar siya. If you guys have the Pink Sugar Queen Bee, papakita ko mamaya. Ganito siya. Kasi yung Queen Bee, medyo nagda-darken siya. Ito, it stays like this. So, ayan na. Kakain na tayo, mga besh. Tingnan natin. I'm pretty sure this one is not transfer proof. Actually, yung friend ko kanina, suot-suot niya yung shade na 143. Tapos kumain siya. Tapos may color pa naman yung kanyang face. Ang kanyang lips. Hindi talaga siya transfer proof. Ano lang talaga siya. Which I don't mind. Kasi actually, yung nagsaswatch ako nito nung iniwan ko medyo matagal sa lips ko. Ay, sa hands ko. Nagsistay naman siya. So, ayun lang nga, because you do want a little bit of moisture. Ako, mas pipiliin ko yon instead of super drying, ganun. Hindi naman sobrang lala. So, kain muna ako. Okay guys, So, kumain na ako. Siguro mga 3 hours na ang nakalipas. So, ayan. May, ano pa naman, yung nawala lang yung sa inner part. Pero hindi ganun kalala nung kitang-kita na yung skin, yung inner skin sa lips. So, I'm actually pretty impressed. So, again, I'm using the shade Girl Crush. Ayaw ko itapon yung box nila, guys. So, ayan. Kumakain yung pusa ko. So, I hope you guys don't mind. Ayan na, nagpapakita na yung walker ko. Sorry. Ayan. So, ito yung Girl Crush. Ayan. Now, na medyo nag-stay na siya sa face ko, very warm nga siya. So, as I said, papakita ko sa inyo, very similar siya sa Pink Sugar na Queen Bee. Pero, ayun nga, as I looked at it, kasi yung vibes niya, medyo Queen Bee yung datingan. Alam mo yung wearable na red. Ito kasi yung Queen Bee wearable na red. So, this is the Pink Sugar tint. So, sa swatch ko yung Queen Bee. Pero now, mas ano to, mas pinky na mauve yung Pink Sugar. Tapos, ito yung Girl Crush. Mas warm siya. Ayan. So, mas muted pa rin yung Girl Crush. And matagal ako naghahanap ng ganito. Kaso kasi yung mga ibang ganito, very awkward yung coloring or hindi siya bagay sa skin tone ko. So this one, I'm completely in love with this one. Ito yung Girl Crush, yung last kong naisipan na shade na bilhin. Pero ang ganda niya. So again, I'm gonna see kung buildable siya. Very, very light on the lips. As in, I was wearing it the whole time. Tapos, hindi ko talaga na-feel na may lipstick ako sa aking lips. It still feels very moisturizing. It didn't accentuate the dry patches on my lips or yung dryness ng lips ko. And at the same time, matte yung itsura niya. So, super nice the formula. I was like, when this first came out, hindi ko pinanood yung mga reviews. Kaso, girl, oh my God, dinumog yung social media ko na sige nga, matry nga. And yun nga, matte moisturizing, it sold me. So, i-layer lang natin. Tingnan natin kung tamang shade. As in, super ganda nito, guys. So, so this is Girl Crush. Super love the Sunnies Face. So, ayun. Feeling ko, if you're looking for the perfect nude, ayun nga. Itong Nudist. Very warm siya na nude. Almost like a terracotta nude. And I feel like it will work with a lot of different skin tones. If you're looking for a nude na wearable, tsaka hindi ka magmumukhang patay, may buhay para ng iyong face. Ayun, I highly recommend Nudist. If you love the terracotta orange shade, I highly recommend Baked. Tapos kung gusto nyo ng soft na red, tapos hindi siya yung so in your face, this is still very muted, highly recommend Girl Crush. So, ayan na, nararamdaman ko na ang ulan. But, yes, totally worth the hype. I was looking for a flaw for the Fluffmatte. Wala akong nahanap na flaw. Ano lang siya, I love that the shades are very geared toward Filipino skin tones. Ang beef ko lang, guys, kasi mga ginamit nilang models sa Instagram page nila, guys, lahat sila mga mestiza, magaganda, ganun ang so strong ng features. I wish they used more Filipino models kasi malamang mas masa ang bibili nito. Very, very nice formula. I think they really nailed this formula. If you're looking for something that's matte but not sacrificing the moisture, highly recommend the Fluffmatte. Tsaka it's something different. It's not your usual liquid lipstick. Actually, nanibago ako nung ginagamit ko to kasi hindi ako sanay sa bullet. Ang tagal ko nang gumagamit ng bullet. I kind of slowly went back to using bullet lipsticks recently, so that's why nag-appeal siya sa akin. Packaging wise, it's so nice, very plain, very sturdy. Highly recommend it. Hindi siya yung pinakamura sa market natin. 345 pesos siya. Pero the quality you get, I feel like it's worth the money. So, ayun. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my review for the Sunnies Face Fluffmates. And again, please don't forget to Again. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my review for the Sunnies Fluffmatte, but hindi ako makasalita, Fluffmatte. But yeah, before I end this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click the notification bell and check all in the drop down menu. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!